Hi, I'm Christy with WTI. Are your kids into rainbow friends? Yes? No? I don't really understand it. These little guys are purple and blue, and they chase you around. You have to run from them, and my kids love the game. So, of course, we had to get the plushies. I love that it comes in a set of two. That's such a great value. So this guy, purple, is really cool because he's got like these wires in his extremities. Check it out. See how flexible he is? He's pretty flexible. So my boys think that is so cool. And then of course you have Blue, who is known for his drool, I guess, his bum eye, his crown. So they nailed all the details just like in the game. So if you've got some rainbow friend fanatics, they are surely going to love this little duo. And that's my point of view.